So we're here in the Tahoe National Forest to find a tree, a Christmas tree. We're looking for something about 8 feet tall that looks a little less like a Charlie Brown tree than last year's, and we are pumped. And we have snow on the ground for effect here. It's great. Off we go.
We're gonna go get our Christmas tree now and wish us luck. A lot easier than normal.
Roberto and Lydia here, carrying the Christmas tree we found. They're all more airy than the blue spruce, but it was the best we could do and it looked pretty. And Molly is watching here. Molly looks very happy with the choice, very happy with the choice. Look at that. Reverently kneeling before the Christmas tree.
Here you go! Whoops. Sinking into the snow. Good girl, Mom! Your jacket's falling. Should we fix it? Good girl. So we have a tree. It's not our traditional spruce, but it looks nice. It will be kind of sparse compared to your typical Christmas tree, but that's because we got it from a national forest, so that's pretty cool. Not everyone can say they did that. So it'll be fun to decorate tonight. And yeah, but first we have to get back to the house, which is a little over an hour drive. So now we're at the scenic overlook, and it's just gorgeous. A lot of snow, double Molly's height. Very nice. We're gonna do this quick walk that I did when I went camping here with my dad in October. Molly's having a ball, smelling everything and playing in the snow, but she does sink in a lot. So I think she's kind of forgot that feeling since it's been a few years, huh? Since you last saw snow.